timing belts and chains are critical engine components that synchronize the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft. This precise timing ensures valves open and close at the right moments for efficient combustion. Timing belts are made of reinforced rubber with fiberglass cords. They operate quietly but require periodic replacement due to wear. Timing chains, constructed from metal links, are more durable and often last the vehicle's lifetime, though they can stretch over time. As of December 2025, timing chains are used in over 70% of new internal combustion engine vehicles globally, reflecting their growing preference for reliability and reduced maintenance. Listen for ticking, rattling, or whining sounds from your engine, especially at idle or startup. These unusual noises often indicate timing belt slippage or chain wear. A ticking sound may occur when the timing belt slips slightly or the chain wears, causing irregular valve timing. Rattling noises suggest loose chain links or belt tensioner issues, common in high-mileage engines. Whining sounds often come from belt friction against engine components or chain guides wearing out. Don't ignore these noises. They're early indicators of potential problems that can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. Warning sign number 2, engine performance issues. Rough idling, misfiring, reduced power, or difficulty starting can signal timing problems. These issues arise from improper valve timing affecting combustion efficiency. Addressing these symptoms early can prevent further engine damage. An illuminated check engine light, often due to codes like P0116 or oil pressure warnings, can indicate a timing belt or chain issue. Modern cars may even use AI to predict failures. Ignoring these warnings can lead to costly repairs. Warning sign number 4, visible damage. Inspect timing belts for cracks, fraying, or oil contamination. These signs indicate the belt is weakening and needs replacement. For timing chains, look for excessive slack or signs of stretching. Visible damage is a clear indicator that replacement is needed immediately to prevent catastrophic engine failure. When it comes to replacing timing belts and chains, always consult your vehicle's owner manual for the manufacturer's recommended intervals. Typically, timing belts need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, while timing chains can last 100,000 miles or more in many vehicles. For replacements, always use original equipment manufacturer parts or high-quality aftermarket components to ensure reliability and proper fit. This helps prevent premature failures. While replacing the belt or chain, don't forget to inspect related components such as tensioners and water pumps, as they often wear together and may need replacement too. Ignoring these replacement intervals significantly increases the risk of engine damage. In interference engines, where pistons and valves occupy the same space, a failure can cause catastrophic contact, leading to expensive repairs. Some timing belt and chain replacements can be done as a do-it-yourself project, especially on simpler engines with easy access. However, complex interference designs require professional service to prevent catastrophic damage. In 2025, average U.S. repair costs range from $500 to $1,500, and professional installation ensures correct setup and avoids expensive mistakes. The automotive industry is evolving rapidly, with timing systems adapting to new technologies and environmental concerns. One major trend is the shift from timing belts to timing chains in modern vehicles, which require less maintenance and last longer. Electric vehicles are eliminating the need for timing systems entirely, as they don't have pistons or valves that require synchronization. This represents a fundamental shift in engine design. Sustainability is becoming a key focus, with manufacturers developing biodegradable timing belts made from bioplastics and recycled materials to reduce environmental impact. AI-driven diagnostics are integrating into vehicle systems, using sensors and telematics to predict timing system issues before they occur, reducing breakdowns and maintenance costs. To prepare for the future of vehicle maintenance, stay informed about these emerging trends and technologies that are shaping automotive engineering.